creeps. Oh, they used the shrine by mistake. Oh, no.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe preemptive.
Whoa, Swindles with a big ult on the whole team. Lena follows up, destroys QO, PPD as well. It's a disaster for WanteD. Instant buybacks, though. Chrono, Reaper's Sight. It's not going to find the kills. Void, he's caught by the Fiend's grip. Z-Freak, God on the side as now Chessie comes in. It's a disastrous fight for WanteD. PPD drops the Supernova, but it's going to be too little too late. It's likely to be a dieback for PPD.
Oh, don't get greedy.
QO.
There's no cleanup.
He will back up. Oh,
all right.
That's 2 buybacks already used. That is, oh my God, look at that team fight recap. QO on the run. Moo trying to pursue into the tier 4s, but Shrine will heal up the Wind Ranger. Mid lane to Barracks will fall. Shackle Shot does connect. But this is a tough defense. WanteD have 2 buybacks here. Necro and Void are holding them for now. Necro drops his, buys the Tome, and they're going to come in to mount the defense. There's the Glyph as well, but they need to be so careful. It's a 2v5. Even without ultimates, this is not a fight that they can easily take. Tier 3 tower down bottom falls. Warlock Golem goes down, but Melee Barracks taking a lot of damage. QO not going to be able to save it. Or Willie, the little satyr, the hero satyrs, they come in. It's actually denied, but that's okay. Pursuing out, Z-Freak gets a Glimmer Cape off. He'll be able to live for now. They drop the Sentry, and this should be a kill for the Dire. Will they be able to find more, though? PPD way too far forward. He goes down. The Fatal Bonds destroying this Dire squad. QO in the front line takes the Laguna, and it's likely to be another wipe. This could be GG, and it is. Complexity takes game 2. Trent, that game was so even and then got so out of control in the flash of an eye.
Swindle's God, dude. He throws down a couple. You know, he was just practicing. He was getting warmed up. Didn't want his stats to be